Welcome, my friends, to my channel. I am Dr. Bob. Please follow me, not in order, to receive all new updates on everything related to your health. Here are some ideas for a healthy breakfast. Oatmeal with fruits and nuts. Prepare a cup of oatmeal with milk or water. Add favorite fruits like berries or bananas. Sprinkle some nuts like almonds or walnuts. Greek yogurt with honey and fruits. Use unsweetened Greek yogurt. Add a teaspoon of honey. Add fruits like strawberries or blueberries. Boiled eggs with avocado and tomatoes. Boil 2 eggs. Cut half an avocado and slices of tomato. Serve with whole wheat bread. Green juices. Blend spinach with banana, apple, and a cup of water or almond milk. Add some chia or flax seeds. Toast with avocado. Mash half an avocado and add it to a slice of wholemeal bread. Sprinkle some black pepper and drops of lemon juice. Oatmeal and banana pancakes. Mix a cup of ground oats with an egg and a mashed banana. Cook the mixture over medium heat until it turns golden. Serve with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Egg and vegetable sandwich. Beat the beaten egg and add chopped spinach, bell peppers, and onions. Place the mixture on a sandwich of wholemeal bread. Whole grains with milk and fruits. Use whole grain breakfast cereals, no added sugar. Add milk or almond milk. Add fresh or dried fruits. Yogurt and fruit smoothie. Mix yogurt with favorite fruits such as mango or strawberries. Add a little honey if you want extra sweetness. Tofu with vegetables. Cut the tofu into small pieces. Fry it with vegetables such as peppers, carrots, and broccoli. Serve with brown rice or quinoa. Try these different ideas to diversify your breakfast and ensure you get a healthy start to the day.